And the director for the Crater Health District says he shares those frustrations as a public health official and says they are working to improve the process of this rollout. One of those ways is by now having an online sign-up tool to get on the vaccine wait list, and as well improving the district's call center, adding staff and equipment, saying that it's been overwhelmed since they've started this move into 1B this week and have gotten thousands of calls. Elected officials in the district have expressed to me their concern that they need a strong call center because a lot of their constituents either aren't tech savvy or don't have access to the internet in the more rural areas. The other concern is about how far people may have to travel to get the vaccine, and the district director says that they are planning to have clinics in every county and city within Crater so that people do not have to travel out of their jurisdiction. Now, along with these elected officials expressing frustration at the local level, they also say they want more help from the state and say that Crater hasn't been getting their fair share of the vaccine. First up is the Vice Mayor of Hopewell, which the City Council voted to send a letter to Governor Northam about this week, followed by a City Council member in Emporia who says they'll be voting to do the same thing next week.
We're requesting more vaccines. We're requesting more medical support and also logistic support, because at these vaccination sites, it's not just the vaccine itself that you need, but you've got to have medical personnel there to man it, to administer the vaccine.
What is going on in the state thus far, not just our community, but across this state, is unacceptable. And it's time for them to roll up their sleeves, get down to the bottom of why this is taking so long, and help get our residents these vaccines.
Now, we have heard back from the health department about that allotment issue, and they say they weren't able to accept the Pfizer vaccine this week because they didn't have the ultra cold storage available. They say they have since acquired that from another district and will be able to accept it going forward. We've also reached out to the governor's office about the local concerns, and they say the governor is committed to getting the vaccine as quickly and equitably to all Virginians, and says that his team has been in touch with the Crater Health District. Working